Hello everybody, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for coming back, and thank you for subscribing. In today's video, I'm in my closet and I want to discuss one of the most popular, constantly sold out, I would say viral dresses of 2023 on none other than MESHKI.com. MESHKI is one of my favorite online shopping websites. I just feel like they are such good quality, such great styles. The fabrics are incredible and the prices are like, so they're a little more expensive than like Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova, Opali, and all those kind of mainstream brands. However, they're like maybe double the price of those brands, not triple or quadruple. So sorry, these are like flapping around. So you're getting like almost designer quality for pretty affordable pricing. I would say everything's like from anywhere from 50, guess who's tired again? Anywhere from like $50 to like $300. That's pretty much the baseline, but they are solid pieces, they're staple pieces, and they are pieces that you can have in your closet for years to come. So a lot of it is definitely worth it. I want to just mention, bear with me. So I don't know what God is trying to tell me, but I'm on the last of all my equipment. Everything's breaking down. I think it's a sign that I need to re-up and get some new stuff because now my tripod is broken. And I'm literally holding up my camera by like a little thread of life. So but we're here. So, so yeah, welcome to my closet. And without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. So as you guys can see, I am currently wearing the dress that I am going to be speaking about today. If you guys don't already know, because I have gotten so many messages about this dress from people all over the world asking me what size I got, or they feel like they're a similar size to me based off of my photos, and you know, what did I think of the dress? What size should they get? Should they get the small, the extra small? So I figured this dress is popular enough to make it its own video. So let's just do that. The dress is called the Giselle off-shoulder cowl maxi dress in white. They also have this dress in gold and black, I believe. So there's 3 options of colors. I chose the white just because I don't know why, actually. I don't think I realized that there was other colors in this dress until I had purchased it, because this was the one that was blowing up. This was the one that I saw online everywhere. I saw a ton of different girls wearing it, and I thought, wow, I need to get my hands on that. So I noticed a lot of people actually wore this as like, so a lot of people actually wore this as like a bridal dress. So whether it be a wedding gown, a wedding dress, I've seen like people elope and the girl was wearing this. Beautiful European elopements. I just think it's perfect because this dress does retail at $135. So considering like you're gonna get married in it, that's pretty affordable for a wedding dress. Also, I wanted to talk about the fabric. It's so silky and soft, and it's not like fake silk. Like, you can tell it's sturdy, it's thicker, and it's definitely just worth what they're selling. It's definitely just worth what they're selling. So this is the cowl. So what they mean by cowl is that it just kind of drops and droops down here, and then it goes off the shoulder. This looks like it's something that you would put up on your shoulder, but it's very much not. It's definitely just part of the style. And yeah, it has, and yeah, so that's what the back looks like. It has a side zipper, which goes all the way up to the armpit, and then a little clasp that you can use to just close it. So yeah, I love this dress, you guys. I actually wore this on my birthday, and I actually wore this on my birthday to, well, I had several events for my birthday, but I actually wore a different MESHKI dress on for the day of my pool party, and then for just like my family dinner with my close friends and family, I wore this, and everybody was like, wow, are you getting married? And I was like, nope, been there, done that. I'm actually getting a divorce. Highly recommend. I completely see why this dress is always selling out. They do 100% do a great job at restocking it, because every time it sells out, they get like a full load of sizes back in. So they pretty much know this dress is high in demand. They've been selling it for, I guess, over a year now. So yeah, but again, like when I look on YouTube, I don't see a lot of reviews of somebody wearing the dress who's not like a model in professional lighting. And you guys know I always talk about like showcasing things that aren't on a professional model, such as myself, in professional lighting, professional cameras. You know, I'm just on a ring light and an iPhone, so it's very like relatable. What you see is what you get, and I want you guys to see that, because I would tell you if it was shit. I really would. I would be like, don't buy this, this is not it. But if you want like an elegant gown, whether it's for an event, a party, or an elopement, or even a bridal party, even though you shouldn't wear white to someone else's bridal situation, you could get this dress in gold or black and then possibly wear it to someone else's wedding. And I think it would just be, and I think that would just be stunning. Whoa. One of my most favorite things about this dress, besides everything and the whole thing, is that right at the cowl where the bust is, it has this rubber band on the inside, so it's not going to continue sliding down and like your boobs aren't going to be spilling out, falling out, which is a problem that I do suffer quite often. For those of us who have, you know, larger chest sizes, the struggle can be real. One second. It gains that support. You know, you're paying for the product and the product is producing. The arms have these beautiful little bell bottom like cuffs, and then this beautiful slit, so it just makes it super elegant. Yeah. Oh no. The length is next to perfect. I will say some maxi dresses can be way too long or way too short. This one is like perfect ankle length. Is that what I should say? Yeah. So you can like wear this without a heel, which I don't know why you would, because this is definitely not a casual dress. But like when you do put the heel on, you can see the heel, but it's not like too short looking. Like it doesn't look awkward. Like it looks super good. So the length is perfect, A+. All of it A+. That's why I wanted to come on here and just, you know, reiterate to you guys how great this dress really is. And I don't know if they're going to be restocking it in 2024. So get your hands on it now if you are interested, because this may be the last of it. But I do know that MESHKI will produce something, if not greater, just as good, because they always do. You guys, all the products, all the dresses, all the clothes on that website is just incredible. I've been shopping there for years, and if you want something like a little higher end, then this is definitely where you want to shop. So yeah, I'll definitely insert some video clips of me wearing the dress out in the world, out in public, and you guys can see the whole thing. But for the meantime, this is it. The structure of it is really good. So the structure of it is really well. I got a size extra small and it fits like a glove. It's not super tight, but it's tight enough where it like cinches the waist, and then it leaves enough room, just like, you know, if you have a bigger booty like me. Woo! So they have these like embroidered lining type here, which kind of gives it that like corset like look, although it's not a corset, but it does accentuate your waist and give you that kind of hourglass look. So that's a great addition. Satin, you can see up close. The material is beautiful, it's immaculate, and I love it. So yeah. Following me on Instagram at @IamCarinaMarie for all the latest fashion tips, tricks, and trends. Yeah, other than that, that's all I have to say about this dress. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see more of. Give me more ideas. If there's any brands you want me to review, or if there's anything you want me to showcase on how to style something or how to wear something. I want to give you guys what you guys want to see. So make sure you're engaging and commenting down below. And yeah, I'm always responding to comments and I'm always listening to the tips and feedback. So make sure you guys keep commenting. Share with your friends, family, and loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that bell button to get notified every time I post, which is every Friday at 5. That way you guys don't miss a beat on all my uploads. So yeah, stay up to date and let's just continue growing this channel together, which I've been loving. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one, and I hope you guys enjoy the weekend because you deserve it. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, sweethearts.